You can't do all the safety courses available in the market. Choosing the right safety course is the key to begin your career. How to select the right safety course that will help you to land in your dream safety job. Hi, myself Karan Natarajan. I have created this YouTube channel specially for safety practitioners to get themselves updated with advanced safety techniques. If you are a person first time visiting this channel, do watch all the videos. I have published a lot of videos in this channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave your doubts in the comments. Watch this video completely to get clear understanding on how to select the best safety course that will help you to land in your dream safety job. The first tip for selecting the right safety qualification is check your interest. Yes, of course, check your interest before you are selecting the safety qualification, before you are investing your money into the safety courses. There is a famous quote, choose a job you love. You will never have to work a day in your life. Finding a things that you love seems to be difficult in the initial phase, but it's worth to spend your time on it. Every penny that you are spending on the courses is only valuable if you continue to work in a field for a long time. So, my strong advice for beginners, before you are starting your career into the safety field, first learn what safety is about, what sort of role the safety engineers do have. Do not think this process as short term to get the job. Ask this one question within you. You will get the answer. Can I spend my 20 to 30 years of life in the field of safety? Ask this question within you. You will get the answer. So, the first tip that I am giving to you is check your interest. Before starting your career into the safety field, learn what safety is about, what sort of role the safety engineers do have. Ensure you are comfortable with the job and you can create your passion towards it. Without it, don't waste your money and time. Search for other field that you are really interested in. The second tip to select the right safety qualification is decide the location in which you want to work with. Safety qualifications are not like generic qualification that is applicable all over the world. The safety standards are different from country to country. Very simple example is minimal level of lighting in the workplace. There is no guarantee for the same standard in all the countries. The safety standards will vary from country to country. The safety qualification requirements will vary from location to location. For example, in India, the inspector of factories may expect that the candidates must be qualified in any regular Indian safety qualifications approved by inspector of factories. In Singapore, they may expect you to be a registered workplace health and safety officer under Ministry of Manpower. They do specify some accepted qualifications. So, decide the location that you want to work with and then do the research. Based on the research, make your decision. The third tip for choosing the right safety qualification is check its relevance to job. Most of the freshers selecting the safety courses only for getting a job. So, if you are in the beginner level, one of the actual tips is based on the designation and location, do your research and do the course which is preferred by most of the recruiters. For example, if you are looking for a safety officer job in Dubai, do your search in the job portals. Spend your 1 or 2 hours of available time in the job portals to find the most preferred safety qualification by the recruiters. You can easily find by analyzing the job description of different companies. The another way is to post your query on the social media, either Quora or Facebook groups or in the LinkedIn timeline. Instead of asking suggestion to one individual person, by posting your query on the social media, you can get multiple answers from the social media post. The fourth tip for choosing the right safety qualification is keep you ready for wide opportunities. One of the common mistakes done by the freshers is choosing the industry-specific courses in the earlier stages of their career. In earlier stages, when you have no experience in safety, You can't choose the type of industry that you want to work with. For example, in India, safety officer job opportunities in oil and gas industries is low compared to construction sectors. You can't be jobless after completing oil and gas safety courses till you are getting that. You can't be jobless. Of course, the oil and gas industries also prefer the minimum experience in the safety field. So, select the safety course that will open a door to wide opportunities. Instead of choosing specific industry-based safety courses, choose the generic safety courses that allows you to work in any industry as a safety officer. By doing industrial safety courses, you can become safety officer in any type of industry. And even some of the construction companies do accept it. By doing general safety courses, you can apply for any interview instead of waiting for job alerts from specific industry. Question from the video is, do you think performing a detailed research is important before investing money in safety courses? Leave your opinions in the comments. If you found this video is helpful, do share this video with your friends and also leave your doubts in comments. If you want to join me, I have given the links in the description of this video. Join with me on my Facebook group, connect me in the LinkedIn. Also, don't forget to leave your reviews on my Facebook page. I have given the links in the description. Thank you.